Hello everyone, welcome to episode 11 of the EdTech at EPISD podcast. This podcast is brought to you by EPISD and Instructional Technology, a division of the Active Learning Department. In today's episode, we will show you how to install and use Microsoft OneDrive on your new MacBook Air laptop. If you remember, prior to the new teacher laptop rollout, our department created a video showing you how to back up all your files from your Dell laptop to your OneDrive. We told you that once you receive your new laptop, it would be quite easy to install OneDrive and have access to your files once again. I will now guide you through this process so that you may have easy access to all your OneDrive files. The nice thing about this process is that Technology Services made sure to install the OneDrive app when they set up your computer. If it is not installed on your laptop, then head on over to the self-service app and install it from there. To find the app, we will click on the Launchpad icon and find the app in one of the pages. I believe it's on the second page in Launchpad. Once you find it, go ahead and click it to open it. You'll need to wait about 10 to 15 seconds for the app to open. Once opened, you will be directed to the Setup OneDrive screen. Go ahead and enter your district email and click on Sign In. The next window will ask you if this is a personal or work or school account. Go ahead and select Work or School. Next, enter your district email password and select Sign In. Once signed in, you will be asked to select a folder location. The default location is fine, so there's no need to change it. Go ahead and click Next. The following screen will allow you to choose which folders and files you wish to sync to your new laptop. When we showed you how to back up your computer, we had you create a Dell Laptop or Dell Files folder. This folder was uploaded to your OneDrive by going to portal.office.com. For some of you, this might be the only folder in your OneDrive, but for others like myself and my team, our OneDrive is our life, and thus we have many folders and files saved to the cloud. If you need to purge files, you can do so after you finish syncing. Go ahead and leave all your files and folders selected by making sure you check off the first box that says Sync All Files and Folders. Uncheck this only if there are folders and files you wish to not download to your computer. After this is complete, I will show you how to turn on Files on Demand so that the files continue to be stored on the cloud and are only downloaded when you need them. This will save space on your computer for other things like programs and apps. Once you've selected your files, go ahead and click Next to begin the sync and download. The following window will let you know that your OneDrive is ready and will give you the option to view your folder. Remember that the more files you have, the longer this process will take. Go ahead and click on Open My OneDrive. The MacBook Finder will open showing your OneDrive folder, and you'll also notice that the folder link has been added to your favorites. Your download and syncing has now begun. To view the progress, click once on the OneDrive Cloud icon found on the menu bar at the top. Since I have a lot of files on my OneDrive, I don't want to sync and download them all. I will now show you how to turn on Files on Demand. When I click on the OneDrive icon in the menu bar, you will see three dots, or what is commonly known as an ellipsis, with the word More under it. Go ahead and click on the ellipsis and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go ahead and click on Turn on Files on Demand. This will free up space on your computer but will still give you access to all your files on OneDrive. If you wish to keep a file on your new computer to have immediate access to, you can right-click on it and choose Always Keep on this device. Let's open up OneDrive from the Finder to see what this looks like. You will still see all of your files, but you will notice a white cloud to the right of the file's name. This tells you that the file is on the cloud, not on your device. To open it on your device, you will double-click on it and it will begin downloading. After some time of not accessing the file, it will go back to the cloud, but you can always download it and open it once again on your device. We have now come to the end of this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast in YouTube by clicking on the channel link, and soon you will also be able to subscribe on iTunes by searching for EdTech at EPISD. See you next time on the EdTech at EPISD podcast.